Okay, I'm going to ask you some questions. So the first question is, can you tell me about yourself?
Thank you. I'm Daphrose Kampire, a student from South New Hampshire University.
Okay. Tell me about your past work experience.
Thank you very much. In the past, my experience work, I was librarian in Kisiba camp in 2015. So again, I was working in the St. Mary's Hospital in 2019. So I used to receive the people who come to the hospital, like if they need something, I have to give for them. Again, after 15 minutes, I have to make sure that I make the report for them, how they are feeling. Again, according to the librarian, I receive the people who come to read the books, even to keep the books in the shelves, so that I have again to make the report for them, so that I can know how many people they come to read the books.
Okay. So please describe a time when you worked well on team.
Thank you very much. I remember when I was at school in Kepler. So we have like the group of the women leadership. So our teacher, he take like 5 people and he make like the group, and each group they have their topic. Our topic, it was about the gender balance, to shoot the video about the gender balance. So in that case, the people, they were struggling for different activity, like working on the project and working for assignment. So they have like more tasks for doing in that case. So to manage our time, so I bring like the idea so that everyone can be able to manage their time. I say that to manage our time, we have to shoot the video now, so that everyone can go in their activity when we have already finished our assignment for the teacher. So it was very nice because everyone here understands my opinion. So we shoot the video and we done, and we submit on time. And everyone, he was very they were very happy because they get more result for what I bring for them. Thank you.
Okay. So tell me about time when you had too many things to do and had to prioritize your task.
Thank you very much. I remember when I get the chance to go at the school in Kepler to be a Kepler student. So I was a student, and I was the home activity, and I was like working about the library. So it was somehow difficult to manage that time. So I make like the schedule, so that can help me to know what I am going to do. So if I done that the first activity, I highlight. I make like report that was the first and that is the last. So that I can know what am I going to do for the next task. So it was very nice because to make the schedule, it helped me to know what am I going to do. Thank you very much.
Okay. Tell me about time when you have to go above and beyond the call of duty. How did you handle the situation?
Oh, thank you very much. I remember when I was working in the hospital, and we have like more tasks to do. It was hard to manage that task, and also, I start the job like at 6 p.m. And I finish my job at 6 a.m. So I work like overtime when my coworker who can come to replace me, he came like 9 a.m. Why she can come like at 6. So it was somehow hard to manage that time. But what I did, I was patient. I keep working so that my coworker, when he came, he can replace me, and nothing can be dropped. I mean, nothing can be loose because no one who was there. I was taking that responsibilities to be there until my someone who can come to replace me. So also to be that helped me to think about, if I get home I have to do everything so that I cannot be late after my job. Thank you.
Okay. So tell me about time when you worked effectively under pressure.
Thank you very much. I remember when I was working in the library, and I was supposed to go at the school. One day, when I was the library, my coworker went at home. So, and the rain, it was raining now. And also I have to supposed to be at the class. So in that time, what I did, I test the message that, because my coworker came late to come to replace me at the work so that I can go to school. What I did, I test the message to my teacher so that I should come like 5 minutes. So also what I did, I called my coworker and I give like the idea how he can get an umbrella so that he can come on time so that I can go to school. In that time, what I did, I have to inform them on time so that they can know what's happened. So in that time, I think I was working in the under pressure because I was thinking about the class, the work, how I can manage those things. So, but finally, according to how I resolved that problem, it was nice. I didn't be upset at class, even at the workplace. I was very able to do that.
Okay. So give me an example of a time when you showed initiative.
Thank you very much for that question. I remember when I was working in the St. Mary's Hospital. So in the first time, I remember there is a patient who came in the hospital, but he doesn't know English, and the nurse, they know English only. So in that time, I try my best to make the conversation with the patient so that I can know what the language that he speaks. So in that case, I try to speak different language. So I found her that she speak like French. In that time, what I did, I called the nurse. So you know that this person, he doesn't know the English, but he knows French. So is it possible to be like interpreter from you, even from the patient, so that he can feel free to give you more information about how he is feeling? So in that time, what I did, I take the responsibilities of to be interpreter. So I interpret the according to the nurse, what he said, what he needs, and the nurse, they was very cheerful because they get more information about her. And that patient, he was very happy because he gets the medicine on time. So according to me, it was like innovation in our hospital because it was the first time to get that case. Thank you very much.
Okay, now we are about to finish. So, is there anything else you would like us to know about you?
Oh, thank you very much. According to me, I respect everyone. Also, I'm a humble person. Also, I'm networking. I have to make like collaboration each other. Also, again, I'm hard work. I have to work hard for every task that I have. Thank you.
Okay.